Hi, fellow yogis, it's Genene. Did you know that a strong core can enhance nearly every physical activity that you do? From running to playing basketball or standing on your feet for long periods every day. A stronger core can help reduce back pain and make a huge difference in how you feel in your daily life. Join me as we take on the challenge together of practicing yoga every single day for 31 days to build a stronger core. In this 31-day challenge, we'll be working with a variety of yoga poses that are specifically designed to target all of our core muscles, one group at a time. We'll start with some foundational poses like plank pose, so fun, I know, and boat pose, and then move on to more advanced poses like side plank and camel pose. We'll also explore some restorative yoga poses that will help us relieve stress and tension in our core. By the end of this challenge, you can expect to see not only real improvements in your core strength, but in your overall physical fitness. You'll be standing taller, moving more confidently, and feeling more energized and empowered in your daily life. If you're ready to take your core strength to the next level, I invite you to join me on this 31-day journey. This course will be available exclusively on my website as part of my streaming library beginning January 1st, 2025 through March 1st, 2025. After that, it will only be available on my website as a course, a standalone course, which will, of course, cost a bit more money. Okay, a lot more. So how do you register for this course? All you have to do is go to my website, go to www.yogawithgenene.com, click on Shop on the top right-hand side, and on the next screen, you will see Membership at the top left. Scroll down until you see the button that says Buy Now. Click the button and a screen will pop up that says Purchase Monthly Streaming Membership Yoga with Genene. Click the Pay button and follow the links to complete your purchase. You will have access to this special 31-day course as well as hundreds of other yoga videos. Now, let's test our core. We're going into a forearm side plank, and I'll demonstrate it first. This is your forearm side plank. And here's the thing. You want a straight line from your feet to your shoulders. So you are done with the test when, number one, your hips are no longer in line like this, see, or like something weird like that, or your body rotates a lot, like that, or your shoulders sag. That is really common for me. See that? Okay, let's begin on whichever side that you want to. And I will time you and I'll let you know the time. But your feet are going to be together for this one. So you can start in plank, forearm plank, and then cross this forearm over and then stack the feet and make sure that your hips are not sagging. You can test yourself by looking at a camera if you want. Now, you can reach your arm up and we're going now. And breathe and keep pushing away. Something that really helps is to think about pulling this forearm, this right forearm, underneath you as you push down. That's 30 seconds. See if you can keep going. Throat open, head back. And that is 60 seconds. Come back and sit down. What gave out first for you, the shoulders or the hips? Remember to let me know in the comments below what your goals are for this challenge. And be sure to subscribe for more yoga content and upcoming videos. I can't wait to see you on the mat for this challenge. Namaste.